خيركم, the best among you. من, who. تعلم, learns. و, and. علم, teaches. Kum does not belong to the root word خير. The kum is a damir muttasil, attached pronoun. The suffix kum indicates a second person masculine and a plural you. Technically, kum is for the masculine plural, but it can also indicate a group of people, more than two, mixed men and women. The suffix kunna is exclusively for the feminine plural. Khayrun means good, better, or best depending on the context of the sentence, and its opposite is sharrun, evil. From the sequence of the root letters kha, ya, ra, we can have many nouns. For example, khayrun, doer of good. Mukhtarun, chosen one. Al-khiyaratu, the choice. Again, from the sequence of the root letters kha, ya, ra, we can have many verbs. For example, khayyara, count as more important than. Ikhtara, choose something rather than the other. Istakhara, seek what is good, seek guidance. Ta'allama and allama. These two verbs come from the verb alima, he knew. From the sequence of the root letters a, la, ma, we can have many nouns, like ilmun, knowledge. Sometimes a suffix is added to the root to indicate specific meaning, like alimun, knowledgeable, muallimun, teacher, muta'allimun, learner, having much knowledge acquired by study. And lastly, ma'lumun, well known. Men means who, whoever, which, or whom, depending on the context of the sentence. Do not confuse men with min, which means from.